Alright, when you first walk into the room, on your right you have a full-length mirror on your right. And when you turn to your left, you have some artwork on the wall. Alright, here's what the view looks like from straight ahead. On your right you have the bathroom area, and on the left you have the kitchenette. So you have your microwave and some storage space on top with nothing in either side. You have the toaster and an ice bucket, a Keurig machine that has pods and the grounds, paper towel, your sink with dishwashing, soap, sponge, and washcloth behind it. Underneath the sink you have extra paper towel and washcloths and dish soap. You have your can opener and plastic utensils and a bottle opener and a cork screw. In your fridge you do not have the freezer section, but you have a drawer there and those little holders for drinks that you have. So to your right you have your mirror. So this mirror does not extend wall to wall, and you have your makeup mirror here that has an extra light on it. Your washcloth station on the right. Here's what it looks like, fully top to bottom. On your left you have a closet with your iron and iron board and safe back there. In the bathroom to your right you have your toilet and shower. So this is more of a bathtub shower, but it has glass sliding doors with some artwork there. And you have the H2O products on your right, the refillable ones. Your shower head for this bathroom is just a normal one, and then there's also a detachable one next to it, and you also have the clothesline in case you need to hang any wet clothes or swimsuits. Alright, here's what the bedroom area looks like. So you have your queen size bed. And in this room, each side has its own little reading light, which I thought was cool, plus the overhead lights as well. Each side also has its own bedside table and has the 2 outlets and the USB plugs as well. You have on your left, you have the Hey Disney and your phone and more plugs for your chargers or anything, plus the USB on this side as well. This is your couch, and above it you have your Murphy bed. The Murphy bed actually sleeps 2. So you have your artwork there, and then you just pull on this handle and the Murphy bed comes down like this. And you have more artwork in there. And then when you are done, you can just pull up the Murphy bed like that. And under the TV, you also have another Murphy bed that pulls out. This only sleeps 1. This is a single Murphy bed, and it has more artwork of there in Chip and Dale. You have a smart TV, and you have some storage space on top and some pretty large drawers. Those are full drawers, not the half ones. You have 2 smaller ones and then 1 larger one. And underneath that you have 2 stools that you can sit on. Unfortunately, there's no table in this room. We have a balcony, so this is our view. You have 2 curtains on the side. So it was nighttime, but here is our view. It was very close to the bus stop. So overall, I really enjoyed the theming in this room. It's really dark and woodsy, so if you like that kind of vibe, I definitely think this is a great place to stay.